In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a short, persuasive promotional video script that grabs attention and drives clicks. If you're trying to promote a product or service, but your message keeps getting ignored, you're not alone. A lot of people struggle with this. They know what they offer is valuable, but when it comes time to explain it on camera or in a voiceover, the result often feels flat, confusing, or easy to scroll past. The good news is that with the right structure, you can make your message clear, engaging, and much more effective in a very short amount of time. The first thing you want to do is open with a strong hook. This is where you call out your target audience's core problem and make a bold promise. The goal here is to immediately let the right person know that this video is for them. You want them to feel seen right away. Keep this part direct and specific, because the opening seconds matter more than anything else. If your audience doesn't connect with the problem instantly, they'll move on before hearing the solution. Next, move into the story or agitation section. This is where you briefly share the background or struggle to build emotional resonance. In simple terms, you want to show that you understand what your audience has been dealing with. Maybe they've tried different options and nothing worked, or maybe they're frustrated, overwhelmed, or tired of wasting time. This part helps create trust because it shows empathy and makes the message feel human instead of overly scripted. Keep it concise, but make sure the struggle feels real. After that, introduce the solution. This is where you present your product or service as the mechanism that solves the problem. Now that you've identified the pain point and built emotional connection, your audience is ready to hear what can help. Focus on clarity here. Explain how your offer helps and why it matters, without overcomplicating it. This is the moment where the message shifts from problem to possibility, so the tone should feel confident and reassuring. Finally, close with a clear call to action. Give one simple instruction. Click the link in the description or the pinned comment. Keep it singular and easy to follow. You don't want to overwhelm people with multiple choices at the end. A strong CTA works best when it feels natural, direct, and connected to the solution you just introduced. When you follow this flow, your script becomes much more persuasive and much easier for viewers to follow. Click the link in the description or pinned comment to take the next step.